All right. Got her all lit up. Thanks, dude. You wait, go out this way?
Yeah.
All right. Guys, we just got our pack of firecrackers. The guy said we can go over to this fence and blow them up. So here we go. We're out in the desert. And that's the store right there. The M80, world's largest firecracker, Alamo Fireworks. And Area 51 out in the desert. And these guys said we can go over here and blow these up. And it looks like everybody's been blowing off fireworks over here. So this one's like a string, 120 count titanium charge to flash at night, Alamo Fireworks. But since we're out here, oh, that'd probably be cool to let it off in the garbage can. I bet you it would be louder. Nah, we might not want to start a fire in there though, but I guess it wouldn't matter if it was. Let's just do it. Guys, hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you on the next video. This place is cool, man. This place is cool. Sheesh. All right, we'll see you on the next video.